Good afternoon. My name is Kelly Harmon, and I am the Director of Curriculum and Instruction for the Monmouth County Vocational School District. My team and I would be honored to present at the conference in August. Our session would be called One District's Journey to Build a Culture of Empathy, Validate All Identities, and Investigate Our Own Biases. We would love to share the resources and the tools that we've used over the last 8 months to really apply a critical lens and value the work of marginalized groups, not only to inform our district-wide practices, but to inform school-based strategies and instructional practices. Equity in action to us means intentionally crafting experiences and keeping our students' needs at the forefront. It means getting honest with ourselves about how we are operating in a system of white male dominance, and it means validating the identities of our students and building a culture of empathy. And how have we done that? Well, we've done that on so many different scales. We've done that by assessing our curriculum. We've done that by integrating our social justice standards, unpacking those standards, and aligning our activities to those standards. We've audited our classroom libraries to be more culturally responsive. We've offered professional development opportunities led by our teachers who are really passionate about this equity work. We have led book discussions. We have hosted district-wide film festivals. So we are so excited about the work we're doing that we want to share it with everyone. The collaborative components, teachers are going to walk away with an idea of a social justice project that they can do either at the district level or the school level. They will receive our resources, they will receive tools to really work through some of the social justice and social equity issues that they might have in their district. What I would like to do right now is just turn it over to science teacher John Elfers, who teaches at our alternative school, Class Academy, and let him share his journey and his work so far and why he's so passionate about it.
Hi, my name is John Elfers. I'm part of Monmouth County Vocational School District. I just want to talk a little bit today about my journey with social justice this year. It started out last summer when I went to a teaching tolerance conference. And it just made me look at my own self, and it made me look at our own school and say, we got a problem with bias, and we don't even know it. And this is the problem with it the problem with bias is that you don't know it. So what I did this year is, after my conference with Teaching Tolerance, I volunteered to do a professional development. And one of the things I realized through that professional development was that there's other people in our district, and we're a huge district with many locations, is that there's other people who are interested in this topic and who want to make a difference. And whether it be from the individual level all the way up to the district level, we've galvanized teachers to look at their own bias, to look at the bias of their curriculum, and to look at the bias of their interactions day to day. And that's been my journey this year, and I look forward to explaining that, talking about it, and then hopefully in our session, getting teachers to walk out of there with the sense of that they do have bias and what can they do about it. And in our example, what can they do in their school? Thanks a lot for this opportunity, and I hope it works out this summer.
So we hope that we can share our journey, present tools and resources, and really have our participants walk away with what it means to be an active member of a culturally responsive school community. Thank you and have a great day.